Are you struggling to find delicious and filling recipes while watching your waistline? Healthy helpings to the rescue. We have found a recipe that ticks all of the boxes when it comes to the most important meal of the day. Get the most out of your morning and boost your energy with this amazingly low-carb scramble. We know your time is valuable, so let's get started. Keto Recipes by Healthy Helpings presents South of the Border Breakfast Scramble. Preparation time is around 5 minutes. You should allow 10 minutes for cooking. You should plan to spend about 15 minutes total making this recipe. This recipe makes 4 servings. For nutrition facts, please see the video description. Here's what you'll need to make this recipe. 6 eggs. Eggs are nutrient-rich, high in quality protein, help raise good cholesterol, heart and brain health, eye protection, naturally filling, feel full longer, one of the best dietary sources of choline, boost nutrient intake. 1 finely chopped tomato. Tomatoes are rich in fiber, low in carbs, are a good source of vitamin C, potassium, vitamin K1, and folate, vitamin B9, antioxidants, decrease inflammation, lycopene, improve heart health, aid in cancer prevention, and protect the skin and may prevent sunburn. Salt and pepper. Black pepper is high in antioxidants, has anti-inflammatory properties, has been shown to improve brain function, may improve blood sugar control, may lower cholesterol, may have cancer-fighting properties, boosts absorption of nutrients, may promote gut health, may offer pain relief, and may reduce appetite. 2 finely chopped pickled jalapeños. Jalapeños are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium, contain carotene, folate, vitamin K, B vitamins, may improve blood flow, may contribute to preventing obesity, and promote pain relief when applied topically. 1 ounce butter. Butter may have cancer-fighting properties, promotes digestive health, may boost metabolism, is high in saturated fat, and is high in calories, therefore, use in moderation or substitute if desired. 3 ounces shredded cheese, any variety you like. Cheddar cheese is rich in calcium and protein, it is a good source of vitamin K, especially K2. Vitamin K2 prevents the buildup of calcium deposits in veins and arteries and may decrease the risk of heart disease. 1 finely chopped scallion. Scallions assist weight loss, help clot the blood, help strengthen the immune system, promote a healthy heart, and helps promote stronger bones. No additional equipment is required. Always begin by washing your hands before handling ingredients, containers, and tools. Start by melting your butter on medium-high heat in a skillet or saucepan. Add the scallions, jalapeños, and tomatoes to the pan. Fry the mixture for 3 to 4 minutes. Beat your eggs. Add your eggs to the fried vegetables. Scramble everything together for 2 minutes. Add desired cheese. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Cover and allow the cheese to melt, approximately 2 minutes. Breakfast is served. Be sure to serve while still hot. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content and related videos. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.